how does someone know how much to save for your taxes?
That's a great question. That's a great question. Um, I would say that there's generally like two or three ways. One is to, of course, to talk to an expert.
Okay.
Okay, a tax
When,
specialist.
okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So somebody who would, there's tons of people out there who will do your taxes.
Mm-hmm.
And some of them are CPAs and some of them aren't, but that's their livelihood. They do taxes for small businesses and they've seen it all. And they can give you a pretty good sense looking at um, your trend of revenue and expense, from last year, or if you're in your first year, from this year, you look at your plan and see how much profit this my business is likely to produce if we meet our plan. And then it might be that there's no expectation of taxes because you're going to have a loss in your first year. That happens.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you're going to, after paying yourself, if you're going to make $50,000 of profit in the business, then there's going to be a percentage of that goes to the IRS, right? And so an expert can tell you that and say, well, it's probably going to be around, and this is something I use in my business, about 28%. In smaller businesses earlier on, it's going to be smaller, maybe 15 to 20% of your profit would be owed for taxes. And so you can make some estimated tax payments throughout the year to kind of stay on track for paying your taxes.